Hey everyone, welcome to the first video of the Umbraco 9 video series. In this video, let's get started with installing Umbraco 9. First, let's install Umbraco templates using the .NET CLI. Let's open the terminal and run the .NET new install command. This installed two templates, one for creating an Umbraco project and the other for an Umbraco package. We will use the Umbraco template to create an Umbraco project. We need to use the name of the template, Umbraco. And we need to give a name for our project. I'm gonna give it the name Cruise Packages. Let's open the File Explorer and see what we have created so far. As you can see, there's a new folder called Cruise Packages, and this is the Umbraco project that we created. Let's create a solution file. Now that we have created a solution file, let's add the Umbraco project to the solution. So this is the solution file that we created. Let's open the solution file in Visual Studio. I'm using Visual Studio 2019, and this is the Umbraco projects that we added to the solution. Now let's build and run the project. We can do so by using the .NET run command. Let's head over to the terminal. Change the directory to the Cruise Packages, and let's execute the .NET run command. This will restore, build, and run. Right, so we got the Kestrel server running, and let's just copy the HTTP URL and run that in the browser. As part of the installation, you will have to go through the installation wizard and provide the necessary information. So for the name, I'll just give some name. You have to provide an email. Hit next. Now in this section we'll have to configure a connection to a database. There are few options to choose from. I'm going to use SQL Server. So this expects a server, database name, and user credentials. Let's open SQL Server Management Studio and create a new database. Let's create a new login for our new database. SQL Server authentication, and I'm going to copy paste a password. Let's make cruise packages DB the default database. Click on the user mapping and then pick cruise packages DB. Also check DB owner. Okay. Now we can see that this new login is associated with the cruise packages DB database. Before going back to the installation, let's copy the server name. Let's go back to the installation. And the database name, the login username, and the password. Hit continue. Well, that is it. We have installed Umbraco 9 successfully. I hope you found this video useful. See you in the next video.